So our game at the moment, it fires our bullets, and we have the angle, um, but the bullet doesn't shoot in the direction of that the ship is pointing, right? So we have the angle, and we're ready to go, um, but we want to go ahead and set the direction of the flower to the direction that the ship is pointed, the angle variable. And so here, instead of pointing the clone at 0, which is going to shoot him straight up, we're going to point him in the direction of angle. All right. And so right now would be a good time to talk about mod. Now you see here my ship. I've turned him around a couple of times, full rotations, and his angle is now 700. And so what angle is that really, right? Well, that's 700 minus 360, right? Minus 360. So I guess maybe a better example would be right here. I get to 360, and then I'm right here at 385. All right, what angle is that ship pointed at? Well, he's pointed at 385 minus 360, right, which is 35 degrees. And so there is a cool operator that we can use here. It's called mod. Okay, and what is mod? Mod is the remainder. Okay, so here we have 10 mod 2. And so what you do is you divide 10 by 2, which you get 5. And what's the remainder that's left over? 0. So the mod of 10 mod 2 is 0. Now 10 mod 3, you take the 10 and you divide 3 into it, and we're left with a remainder of 1, and that is our answer here. And then we have 10 mod 4, which is 10 divided by 4, that's 8, but that leaves us with a remainder of 2, and that's our answer. So if we're looking at an angle like 361 or 420, what we want as our angle is 1. Right? And what we want as our angle here would be 60. And so you could see that we would want to mod by 360, and it doesn't matter what that angle is. It could be up to 700. And if we do a mod by 360, that'll give us the exact angle that we need to point our ship in, right? So what is this? This is going to be, ooh, is this going to be a big number? Yeah, this is going to be a big number. So let's do 40 and 340. Right, so that's the angle that this would be, because you take 700, subtract 360 from it, and you're left with 340. And so that's what we're going to be doing here. Okay, so instead of the angle, let's come here to the operators. And mod is used so much in computer science that they have a mod programming block here. So I'll grab that, and let's do the angle that the ship is in. The angle would be 385, and we want to mod that by 360 to get our angle of 35 that we're going to point the flower in. Okay, so let's go ahead and try that. And now if we turn around, we can shoot according to which direction the ship is in.